We are going to see the next topic, moderate sedation. So moderate sedation is also called as conscious sedation. Okay, so this is a drug induced depression of consciousness where the patient is relaxed and sleepy but still awake and can respond purposefully to verbal commands or light touch. So the patient will be calm and drowsy, not fully unconscious, can talk or respond when spoken. Okay, breathing on their own. So there will not be any oxygen cylinders or oxygen mask kept. Okay, next is they will have protective reflex like coughing. Okay, next one is so for moderate sedation, okay, we will not give the codes from 0 series. So the codes are from 99. Okay, 99, 151, 152, 153. 155, 156 and 157. So these codes will be in our 90 series. Okay, that is the medicine chapter. Okay, so there are guidelines. Okay, CPT guidelines for moderate sedation. So first guideline is we should check whether the moderate sedation is given by the same physician. Okay, so usually this moderate sedation is used for scopy procedures, colonoscopy, endoscopy procedures. Okay, so if the same physician is administering moderate sedation, okay, that time these three codes, okay, should be given. Okay, so first code 99151 means, okay, moderate sedation given by same physician, and in the code they would have given the age. Okay, less than 5 years of age and time, intra-service time. Okay, initial 15 minutes. 99152 is above 5 years of age, same physician, initial 15 minutes. And this is add-on code 99153. So this is for each additional 15 minutes. So for example, if a patient, okay, if a 2-year-old patient is going for an endoscopy procedure, okay, and same physician is administering moderate sedation, and the intra-service time is around 45 minutes. So this is 2 years old, right? So we will take less than 5 year of age code 99151. In this 151 we have this initial 15-minute time. So we take that. So 115 minute out of 45 we got. So remaining 30 minutes we should give the code, right? For that we should take this add-on code 99153. So this 153 have each additional 15 minutes, 15, 15, 15. So how many 15s we need? 30, right? So for 30, so into 2, so 15 is 15 into 2, 30. So this into is called as units or times code. Okay, so 99153 into 2. So here 15 is there, into 2, 30. This 30 plus this 15 is 45 minutes. So like this we will code. Okay, so an important point to remember is for any of the add-on codes we will not give modifiers. So in the exam also, if any option, okay, in the options, if the add-on code is having a modifier, you can directly eliminate the option. Okay, next is this is a guideline for same physician. Next is different physician. So for different physician, if the different doctor is administering moderate sedation, then two guidelines is there. One is we should check whether the different physician is from the hospital setup, that is facility, okay, or non-facility, outside the hospital. Okay, if the different physician is from the hospital setup, then we need to give these codes 99155, 156 or 157. Okay, so facility and non-facility. If the doctor is from non-facility, we don't have to give the codes. Okay. So same like 99151. Okay, this 155 is different physician, same age less than 5 years and initial 15 minutes. 156 is above 5 years of age, different physician, 15 minutes initial, and this is for each additional 15 minutes. Next we should check the age of the patient as it is included in the code. Okay, above 5 years or below 5 years of age. Then time already it is given as initial 15 minutes. So that's about moderate sedation. So next will be, so that's all our anesthesia series, important concepts. Next we will see some important questions. Okay, so I will upload the important questions and answers, okay, tomorrow. Thank you. Happy coding.